I dey always tell una, maybe you don't hear me, maybe you've not heard me before. It is not every lady you see as a man you think or you go feel say you feel beat or wrestle. Honestly, there are women with one bone, single bones. You dare not play with them. Most especially this very lady that I'm about to show you guys now. Honestly, if I were opportune to be in a position where I can be able to help this girl, there is nothing on earth that will stop me from helping this girl to actualize her dream. She's a very good boxer. You can imagine the way she stood firm, wrestled this man, give this man better blow, no be say better blow, as if she's trained. If she's not trained, then it's from birth. No be every woman wey una see as a man you go feel say maybe kilo se nyao no finita nyao seawood nyao it's not every woman. Watch this lady, say I just mess this guy up for public, wrestle him well in the midst of his friends, his family, his loved ones, his business place, his close associates. Just watch. No forget, as you dey watch this video, follow my page oga jedi comedy. I go dey give una back to back updates. Abeg, just follow this page. Shey you dey hear me? Na me be the only social media professor mumu you fit beat or wrestle. Honestly, there are women with one bone, single bones. You dare not play with them. Most. Oh my goodness God. What type of beating is this? Are you playing? Wait, una no dey see wetin I dey see so? Oh boy, this girl is good. You are good, my dear. It's not for Egbado. You are good.